Hello dears, welcome to fashion design classes. So dears, before going to start my today's class, I want to tell you something, okay? क्लास आज की स्टार्ट करने से पहले मुझे आपको कुछ बोलना है एंड वो ये कि you know my some videos are too long, right? Like today's videos are also will be too long. So why? Because I want to teach you in details. Some students don't know cutting stitching and some students know cutting stitching, so that's why I want to teach you in details. I want to give my effort in my classes, so that's why I'm taking my classes in details, okay? So please dears, don't be bored. I want to get clear all your doubts in my class. I hope you understand. थैंक यू. मुझे ना अपनी क्लास में आपको डिटेल से बताना होता है, मुझे आपको अपनी क्लास समझाना होता है, आपके डाउट्स क्लियर करना होता है, इसलिए मेरे कुछ वीडियोस लॉन्ग हो जाते हैं, तो प्लीज़ आप इससे बोर ना हो जाएं. ओके, थैंक यू. इन यस्टरडेज क्लास वी लर्न व्हाट मेजरमेंट्स वी रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक वन साइडेड कफ्तान ड्रेस. ओके, आई होप यू रोट ऑल द मेजरमेंट्स एंड ड्रॉ ऑल द डायग्राम्स. ओके, मैंने आपको कल की क्लास में मेजरमेंट्स एंड डायग्राम के बारे में बताया था. आई होप आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Okay, let's start today's class.
Before marking on the cloth, let's check one more formula or one more measurement. Okay.
So see, hip round is 37 inch, right? I have hip round is 37 inch. Whatever the hip round you have, you check that, okay? And then divided that by 4 inch, okay? So that is 9 by 9 and 1/4 inch, okay? ये मेरा 9 and 1/4 inch, okay? I have hip round fourth part is 9 and 1/4 inch, okay? So here E to F, it is 9 and 1/4 inch, okay? Then this one C to G, okay?
C to G is dress wideness or dress घेर. Okay, you know the dress घेर. Okay, for kaftan making dress, for kaftan, this type of kaftan, you can do one thing for C to G. Okay, I have hip round fourth part is 9 and 1/4 inch, right? So you add in it 3 inch, 3 or 4 inch, or you can add 7 or 8 inch. Okay, so I am adding 4 inch, 9 and 1/4 plus 4 inch. Okay, so it's come 13 and 1/4 inch. Okay, whatever hip round you have, whatever hip round fourth part you have, add in that 3 or 4 inch or 7 or 8 inch. Okay डियर्स, आपका हिप राउंड का जो भी फोर्थ पार्ट आएगा उसमें आप 3, 4 इंच या फिर 7 या 8 इंच भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर C to G is 13 and 1/4 inch. Done. Now add seam allowance. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Now add seam allowance. I am adding seam allowance only 1 inch. You can add 2 inch also. As you know, I already told you about seam allowance. Okay, so 13 and 1/4 inch plus 1 inch is seam allowance and it comes 14 and 1/4 inch. Okay, please dears, don't be confused, do this very carefully. Okay, and who joined me already from starting, they know this method for dress घेर. Okay, but for kaftan making dress you add 3 or 4 inch extra for dress घेर. Okay, make more width ड्रेस घेर. ओके, ड्रेस घेर जो है आप थोड़ा सा विड्थ बना ले, बिकॉज हम जो कफ्तान ड्रेस है वो फ्रॉम शोल्डर टू टो बनाने वाले हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई आप जो ड्रेस का जो घेर है नीचे का जो एंड का वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही रखेंगे, तो 4 इंच या आप 7 या 8 इंच तक ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन और यू कैन ज्वाइन माई FP ग्रुप. ओके, द लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स.
Let's start marking on the cloth. Okay, चलो कपड़े पे मार्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट टेक योर क्लॉथ एंड मेजर द विड्थ ऑफ द क्लॉथ और वाइडनेस ऑफ द क्लॉथ. ओके, पहले आप कपड़ा ले लें और उसकी चौड़ाई मेजर कर लेंगे, वो कितना चौड़ा है, कपड़े की चौड़ाई कितनी है. ओके, सो आई हैव 46 इंच विड्थ क्लॉथ. ओके, नॉट लेंथ, रिमेंबर नॉट द लेंथ, आई टोल्ड मेजर width of the cloth. Okay, first measure width of the cloth. So I have 46 width, but you take 50 inch, 60 inch width. Okay, I have 46. I will manage in it.
This A to B, okay, width. So width is, I have width is 46 inch. Okay, but you take more width cloth. Okay,
Next, length.
okay, A to C is length. Okay, what's the length? Length is 53 inch. Okay, the full length is 53 inch. Okay, so now this cloth is 2-fold. Okay, already I wrote 2-fold, right? So here from A to C the length is 53 inch, okay, but it is two-fold, so that's why you take the double cloth of your length, okay, means it is 53, so you take 106 inch length cloth, okay. I hope you understand, okay. जो आपका कपड़ा है वो लेंथ के डबल में लेंगे आप, क्योंकि हम लोग दिस इज फ्रंट एंड वी वांट बैक आल्सो, राइट. सो the front length is 53, so we want back length also. The back length also is 53 plus 53, it is 106 inch, okay. So front की लेंथ जो है ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक 53 इंच है, और जो इसके बैक पार्ट आएगा वो उसकी लेंथ भी 53 होगी, राइट, सामने और पीछे की. तो इसके लिए आप क्या करें, जितनी भी आपकी ड्रेस की लेंथ है उसका डबल कपड़ा ले लें, ओके. सो 106 inch, okay. Otherwise you can fold your cloth and mark the length, okay. So two fold, I am going to fold it, okay. This is two fold, okay. So see, okay, I am folding this like this way, okay. Just fold like this way, okay. So I fold it two fold, okay. Then now I am measuring
कपड़े को टू फोल्ड करके आप क्या करें, लेंथ की मेजर कर ले, ओके.
the length, okay. Remember this is length, not width, okay. This is length. So
इसमें कोई भी मुश्किल नहीं है, ओके. जैसे हम लोग ड्रेस के लिए, नॉर्मल ड्रेस के लिए लेंथ मेजर करते हैं, वैसे आप कपड़ा टू फोल्ड कर लें और लेंथ मेजर कर लें, ओके.
we want 53 inch, right. So okay, see, this is 54, okay. It is okay for me. If it is 54 then it is okay for me, okay. Okay, see, this is length, okay, in on double fold, okay. Double fold पे इसकी लेंथ है, okay. So just wait, मैं इसको बिछा लूंगी, okay dear. See this, okay. Here to, okay, here to here, this is width, okay. Width is 46 inch, okay. Then I fold it, double fold, okay, like this way I fold it here to here, okay. This is length which is 53 inch, okay, and the cloth is on two fold, okay. Okay dears, next step we want to fold our cloth again, but before folding the cloth again, we want to find C to G, which I already found it, right. So you also find your C to G. C to G is dress घेर और dress whiteness, okay. हमें अपने कपड़े को अगेन फोल्ड करना है, तो इसके लिए आप पहले क्या करेंगे, C to G फाइंड करेंगे, जो कि मैंने आपको वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में ही बताया था कि C to G किस तरह से फाइंड करना है, राइट. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू फाइंड C to G, दिस फॉर्मूला इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ वीडियो, राइट. सो यू फाउंड योर C to G. So I have C to G is 14 and 1/4 inch, so I am going to fold my cloth again, okay. How can I fold it? Let's show you, okay. So I hope you are getting my words and you are enjoying my teaching method, okay. I hope it's clear, okay. So see, I fold this again, okay. So I'm going to show you on paper also, okay. मैं आपको पेपर पे भी दिखा रही हूँ. See this, okay. Just suppose this is your cloth, okay. Just suppose, and the cloth width, okay. Take the full width of the cloth, okay. So that's why take more width cloth, okay. So I have 46 width, but you can take more width, 56, 50, 60, okay, like this. So मेरा जो width 46 है, आप इससे ज़्यादा ले सकते हो आपके मुताबिक, okay. So my cloth width is 46 inch, okay. Then measure your cloth, okay. Measure your length. Length is 53 inch. Take the cloth double of your length, okay. Means 53 plus 53, that is 106, okay. Then now fold your cloth, two fold, okay, like this, okay. See, this is how I fold that I am showing, okay. Like this, your full length, okay. This is full length, this is width. Now fold your cloth like this, okay. Fold it, and here to here it is 53 inch, okay. Suppose it is my cloth, so that's okay. Here to here it is 53, right. Then find your dress घेर, okay, because I am going to stitch one-sided kaftan, right. So that's why we want घेर also. So here to here, okay. Find your dress घेर. So means here C to G, okay. This is folded area. Once again we are going to fold this, okay. Once again हम इसको fold कर रहे हैं. So the dress घेर is 14 and 1/4 inch, okay. folded. Okay, 53. So now again fold your cloth on 14 and 1/4 inch. Okay, so measure here to here to here. Okay, suppose here it is 14 and 1/4 inch. Okay, here to here. Okay, here to here. This is 14 and 1/4 inch. Just suppose here cloth. Okay, then now fold this again. Okay, just like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Like this. Okay, see. Okay, 4 fold. Now it is 4 fold. 1 fold, 2 fold, and 3 4. Okay, so now it is 4 fold. See that. Okay, this is paper and that is cloth. I hope now you are get very well. I hope मेरे ख्याल से आपको अभी अच्छे से समझ में आ गया. Okay.
सो डियर्स, जैसे हमने पहले ड्रेस की मार्किंग की थी वैसे अब हम इस पे ड्रेस की मार्किंग कर लेते हैं पहले. ओके, जैसे कि बस्ट लेंथ, आर्म होल लेंथ एंड फिर बस्ट राउंड, वेस्ट राउंड, जो भी मार्किंग है थी ना हमारी, पहले हम लोग वो मार्किंग कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कफ्तान ड्रेस का जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है वो क्या करना है. ओके,
Now bust arm hole length. Now mark arm hole length, shoulder to here arm hole length, bust length, waist length and hip length. Okay, mark all the lengths on your cloth.
First mark armhole length. I have 34 inch bust round, so in this measurement the armhole length is 6 and 3/4 inch. Okay, अलग अलग बस्ट साइज के हिसाब से स्टैंडर्ड आर्महोल लेंथ एंड आर्महोल विड्थ मेजरमेंट मैंने पहले क्लास में बताया हुआ है, आप वो चेक कर लें. ओके, अदरवाइज इसको आर्महोल लेंथ फाइंड करने का फॉर्मूला है, आप उस फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से जा सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट मार्क बस्ट लेंथ, वेस्ट लेंथ एंड हिप लेंथ. मार्क ऑल द लेंथ्स.
यूजिंग स्ट्रेट स्केल ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइंस. ओके, सी लाइक दिस. स्ट्रेट स्केल से आप सीधा लाइन ड्रॉ कर लें.
Okay, dears. So next part already we done. Now done length, right? Bust length, waist length and hip length. Okay, now go to the round. Okay, bust round, waist round and hip round. Okay, so but before going to marking, just do one thing. Okay, divide it by all rounds by 4. Okay, means bust round is 34 inch. Here I have bust round 34 inch, so divided by this with 4 inch. Okay, means it comes 8.5 inch. Okay, so it comes 8.5 inch. Okay, then waist round, so divided it also by 4, so 29 4 7 and 1/4 inch. And then hip already we divided it, right? Okay, then now add seam allowance. Okay, whatever you want, add seam allowance. You can add 1.5 inch or you can add 1 inch or you can add 2 inch. It is depend on you. Okay, but I am here adding for seam allowance 1.5 inch. I want 1.5 inch seam allowance only. Okay, if you want 2 inch, if you want 1 inch, whatever seam allowance you want, add that inch. Okay, so आपको तो पता है डियर्स कि हम लोग क्या करेंगे, राउंड्स में डिवाइडेड बाय 4 करेंगे, जो भी प्रोडक्ट आएगा फिर हम लोग प्लस सीम अलाउंस इसमें मार्किंग करेंगे. पहले हम इसकी मार्किंग करेंगे फिर सीम अलाउंस की. ये तो आपको पता है पहले का मेथड, राइट? ओके, सो डियर्स सी हियर in the diagram. Okay, so this is our armhole length, right? Already I marked armhole length on my cloth. Already मैंने कपड़े पे मेरा armhole length mark कर लिया. Okay, then now here, okay, this is middle line. You know about the what is here. I already folded the cloth. Okay, you know. So this is armhole length. Okay, so here mark bust round. Okay, where is you mark armhole length? There you mark the bust round. Okay, here to here means the bust round is fourth part. Okay, bust round fourth part is 8 and 1/4 inch. Okay, so first mark here to here 8 and 1/4 inch. Next is it is bust length, right? From shoulder to here it is bust length. So mark here also bust round. Okay, here and here marked bust round. Okay, now this is okay waist length. Okay, so on waist length mark west round. So west round is 7 and 1/4 inch. Okay, here to here mark 7 and 1/4 inch. Next hip round, mark 9 and 1/4 inch. Done. Then again add whatever seam allowance you want, add that. Okay, here means if you want 1.5 inch seam allowance, then add 1.5 inch here like this. If you want 2 inch, then add 2 inch seam allowance. Okay, okay, so I hope you understand. तो डियर्स ये मार्क करने के बाद आप सीम अलाउंस जितना भी आपको चाहिए सीम अलाउंस ऐड करेंगे. देन आपको जो भी सीम अलाउंस होगा उस लाइन को यहाँ से यहाँ तक आप टच करेंगे. मैं आपको कपड़े पे दिखाती हूँ. ओके, आई शो यू ऑन माई क्लोथ. ओके, सो आई होप यू लर्न दिस. ओके, सीम फर्स्ट राउंड and waist round, hip round. Okay, where we mark. Okay, so I hope you learn this. Okay, okay, sir. Yes, see on my cloth. I mark hip, all the lengths and all the rounds. You know how to mark with the rounds. Okay, and adding seam allowance also. I already taught you. Okay, so ये यहाँ से once again I am going to explain. This is armhole length and this is bust length, waist length and hip length. Okay, these are the lengths. Done. And that is full length. Okay, here to here. Done.
Then I marked all the rounds, fourth part. First round fourth part, waist round fourth part and hip round fourth part. Then I marked seam allowance. Okay, this method already I taught you on the diagram, right? So you also marked same. Then now mark here also. Okay, hip round to final length. Okay, like this.
I join that.
Join the line. Okay,
Complete. Now mark shoulder and neck. Okay, so this is the next. Go to the shoulder width. Okay, here to here. The shoulder is 14 inch. I have the total length of shoulder is 14 inch. So divided it by 2. So it is 7 inch. Okay, so from here to here take 7 inch and plus for seam allowance you add 1/4 inch or you can add half inch. Okay, for seam allowance. Okay, here to here 7 inch. Then already I marked armhole length. Right now we want armhole width. Okay, here to here armhole width. Okay, so our shoulder is 7 inch, right? So take the armhole width from here to here 7 inch. Okay, this one is from here to here 7 inch. Okay, wait, I'll show you here. Just see. This is the diagram. Okay, which I marked on my cloth. Right, these are the diagram which I marked on the cloth. मैंने इतना diagram complete में mark कर लिया. Then from here to here mark your shoulder. Okay, shoulder is 14 inch. So divided it by 2 inch. So it comes 7 inch. Okay, and add seam allowance for 1/4 inch or half inch. Seam allowance add 1/4 inch or half inch. Okay, so it comes 7 and 1/4. Right, so mark from here to here 7 and 1/4. Okay, so it is shoulder. Done. Okay, these are the lines: armhole length, bust length, waist length, hip length. Right, sorry. Okay, so done. Complete. Now this is already I marked armhole length. Right, here to here already marked armhole length. Now we want armhole width. Okay, here to here armhole width. So for armhole width, the armhole the shoulder is 7 inch, right? So marked armhole width for back here to here 7 inch. Okay, mark here to here 7 inch, same as it is shoulder. Okay, or you can go through the standard measurement which I already gave you. Okay, or you can follow the standard measurement. Okay, noted by you. Okay, next join this line. Okay, from here to here with the help of scale join this line. Okay, complete. Now give a shape. Okay, this is back armhole. Okay, sorry actually. Okay, now give a shape. Okay, so you can give freehand. You can give shape freehand or you can go through the app also. Okay, next from here. Okay, see this mark. Okay, from here to here mark 1/3/4 inch. Okay, here to here. I hope you are getting me. Here, see. From here to here mark 3/4 inch. Okay, here to here this one is 3/4 inch. Okay, here too. Then now join this line. Okay, now join these line. Okay, done. Then now here give a shape like this. Okay, this is front armhole. Okay, this like this. Okay,
सी दिस मार्किंग ऑन क्लोथ. ओके, आप इसी तरह से क्लोथ पे मार्किंग कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट मार्क width, neck width. Okay, and the boat neck width is 4.5 inch and boat neck length is 3 inch, or you can take 3.5 inch also. Okay, then make round shape, boat neck shape as showing in video. तो आप वीडियो में जिस तरह से दिखा रही हूँ उसी तरह से बोट नेक बना लें. बोट नेक की जो विड्थ है वो आप 4.5 इंच रखेंगे और जो बोट नेक की लेंथ आएगी 3 इंच या फिर 3.5 होगी. और फ्रंट एंड बैक बोट नेक विड्थ इज सेम. ओके, फ्रंट और बैक बोट नेक की विड्थ सेम होगी. नाउ कट दिस मार्किंग. ओके, जस्ट सी आई एम शोइंग ऑन पेपर. ओके, मैं आपको पेपर पे बता रही हूँ तो इस तरह से आप कट कर लेंगे. ओके, सो ऑलरेडी दीज मार्क्स आर डन ऑन माई क्लोथ, राइट. Now take these 2 fold, see this. Now take these 2 fold, see this. Don't cut all 4 fold cloth. Okay, see this. I am showing you. चारों fold नहीं कट करना है आपको, सिर्फ 2 fold कट करना है. Okay, take 1 fold, 2 fold. This much cloth only. This upper 2 fold cloth only. Okay, ये जो ऊपर का 2 fold cloth है इतना ही लेंगे आप. And the below cloth is as it is. Okay, below का जो cloth है वो आपका same होगा. Okay, but first cut this boat neck. Okay, on 4 fold cloth. See this. Just see this on paper. I am showing you. Okay, see this carefully आप इसको देखिए, मैं पेपर पे दिखा रही हूँ. Okay, done. Next take these 2 fold cloth. Okay, see this. फिर आप इसको 2 fold पे क्लोथ लेंगे. ये देखें इतना ही. Okay, ये 2 fold जो है यही 1 2 इतना ही आपको लेना है. Then now cut these markings. Okay, shape markings. See this. I hope you are getting my words very clearly. If you are now also facing any problem, difficulty, you are confusing, please ask me in comment section or ask me in group. Okay, आप मुझे ग्रुप में पूछ लें या आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. सी. ओके, नाउ कट सेम एज इट इज ऑन क्लोथ ऑल्सो. ओके, कट 2 fold on cloth. Okay, and the below cloth is as it is. See like this. Okay, let's see. 1 2. Okay, take only upper part 2 fold cloth and cut that. See. Okay, I'm showing. So already I done it as I showed you on paper. Okay, same as it is. I cutted it on cloth also. See this boat neck. Okay, on 4 fold cloth like this over. Then the remaining all the marking, all the measurements, I cut it on 2 fold. Okay, see this. And the below 2 fold cloth is as it is. Okay, so for making kaftan dress, if you are new in stitching, cutting stitching, then first do this practice on paper. Okay, then go to the cloth. Okay, I hope आपको समझ आ रहा है. Okay dear, so here on end of below cloth. Okay, नीचे का जो कपड़ा है वहाँ पे I am marking 6 inch. मैंने 6 inch मार्क कर रही हूँ. How can you find it this 6 inch? See, I have armhole length is 6 and 3/4 inch. Okay, then I am doing minus. Okay, I am minusing 1 inch or 3/4 inch. Okay, then the product is 6 inch or 5 and 3/4 inch. Okay, then that product mark on here below cloth. Okay, end of the below cloth. आपके जो नीचे का कपड़ा है वहाँ पे end करें. Whatever armhole length you have, check that and minus in it 1 inch or 3/4 inch. Okay, 3/4 inch. Then mark on the end of the below cloth. Okay, see like this. इस तरह से आप आखिरी में मार्क करेंगे. Then here neck width. Okay, where is your neck width? Here ना. So here to here join the line. Okay, join the line. ड्रॉप डायगोनली. ओके, आप फिर आप यहाँ पे क्रॉस में डायगोनली क्या करेंगे, लाइन ज्वाइन करेंगे एज आई एम शोइंग इन द वीडियो, जिस तरह के मैं आपको इस वीडियो के अंदर दिखा रही हूँ. सो आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया है. ओके, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ गिव अ शेप. ओके, अभी आप यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, जो आपका कफ्तान ड्रेस है उसका आप यहाँ पे शेप देंगे टिल मिडल लाइन. ओके, सी दिस इज आवर मिडल लाइन, राइट. ये हमारी यहाँ की मिडल लाइन है. ओके, यू नो दिस, सी. ओके, यहाँ की मिडल लाइन है. तो जैसे कि हमने डायग्राम में मार्क दिया था, जैसे हमने डायग्राम में मार्किंग किया हुआ है. ओके, सो सेम यहाँ पे भी आपको ऐसे ही मार्क करना है, एप्पल शेप, राउंड शेप, जो भी शेप देना है वो शेप आपको यहाँ पे मार्क करना है। मार्क शेप ऑन योर क्लोथ, ओके, आई एम शोइंग ऑन पेपर बट यू मार्क ऑन क्लोथ, ओके, सी लाइक दिस, ओके, जस्ट वेट। Next, cut this marking, okay, cut only below 2-fold cloth, okay, just like this as I'm showing video। जैसे मैं वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ इसी तरह से आप नीचे का जो कपड़ा है उसको कट करेंगे। So see, kaftan dress cutting is done, but one more thing is remaining, see, armhole shape, okay, so cutting is done now, but now we cut back armhole shape only, okay, so now see, this is front armhole shape। Now take 1-fold cloth, okay, just 1 fold, this one, okay, then now cut your front armhole, okay, on one piece, see like this, okay। आप क्या करेंगे, एक पीस लेंगे, इसी पर आप फ्रंट का जो आर्महोल शेप है कट करेंगे, जस्ट एक पीस पे, देन कट।
Then dears, we want one sleeve for attaching, okay, हमें एक स्लीव अटैच करने के लिए चाहिए, so cut one sleeve, okay, if you want half sleeve then cut half sleeves, if you want full sleeve then cut full sleeve। आपको जो भी स्लीव चाहिए another side में वो कट कर ले। Here half sleeves, okay, already I taught you half sleeves, how to cut half sleeves, okay, this one, and this is full sleeve, okay, if you want full sleeve then cut full sleeve, if you want half sleeve then cut half sleeve for attaching on another cloth, okay।
If you like my video, please press like button, thank you, bye।